Hi, good morning, students. Today we'll discuss the topic is herbal cosmetics. So first, herbal cosmetics. What is the definition of the herbal cosmetics? It is the sources and description of raw materials of herbal origin used via fixed oils, waxes, and gums, colors, perfumes, and protective agents. So, and next, bleaching agents, antioxidants in products such as skincare and hair care and oral hygiene products. So, herbal excipients means it's the significance of substances of natural origin as excipients is used as colors, sweeteners, binders, and diluents, viscosity builders, and disintegrants and flavors and perfumes. So, coming to the herbal cosmetics, sources and description of raw materials for herbal origin used. What are the ingredients actually we are included that fixed oils, waxes, gums, colors, perfumes, and protective agents, bleaching agents, antioxidants in products such as skin care, hair care, and oral hygiene products. So first, cosmetic is a Greek word. It comes from the Greek word which means to the adorn. So addition of something decorative or person or thing. So so the main definition or cosmetic word is actually it is derived from the Greek word. So it is means to the adorn. So addition of something decorative to a person or thing. So it may be defined as a substance which comes in the contact with various parts of the human body like skin, hair, nail, lips, teeth, and mucous membranes, etc. So these cosmetic substances help in improving or changing the outward show of the body and also mask the odor of the body. So it protects the mainly skin and keeps in a good conditions in general. So cosmetic in external preparations which are applied for the external parts of the body also. And next, examples of the cosmetics. So examples of the cosmetics skincare creams and powders, lotions and lipsticks, nail polishes, eyes and face makeup, and deodorants, baby products, and hair colorings and sprays. So these were the examples of the cosmetics. And next, coming to the point, classifications and cosmetics were broadly categorized into four types. So what are those means? We can see the skin cosmetics and hair cosmetics, nail cosmetics and cosmetics for hygiene purpose. So first they are used as the cleansing, moisturizing and beautify aging agent. And they help for the enhance the attractiveness of the body. They help in altering the appearance of the body without affecting its functions. And sunscreen products help in protecting the body from the UV rays and treating like sunburns. Uh, I mean, we can see that in daily lives, some people are actually used for the SPFs, sun protection factors. So these are sunscreen products helps in the for the protecting body from the protect from the UV rays. So and next acne wrinkles for the dark circles under eyes. So many creams and lotions and next one serums are available in our markets. So these are the herbal cosmetics are treated or repaired by the treatment products. And cosmetics helps in treating the skin infections. And next, coming to the herbal cosmetics, these are the advantages of the herbal cosmetics. So herbs are important for their disease and prevention and health promotion properties having following advantages. So first one is the natural products and safe to use and compatible with all skin types and wide selection to the choose from and no side effects. So coming to the first one is natural products. So herbal cosmetics are natural and free from all the harmful synthetic chemicals. So which is generally may turn out to be lethal to the skin. So that's why actually we mentioned here natural products. And the second one is the safe to use. So how to be used safe for the skin care and herbal cosmetics for any other body parts, internal and or external parts. So first, natural cosmetics are protected to utilize. They are hypoallergenic and tested and proven by the dermatologist to be safe to use anytime, anywhere. So, since they are made up of the natural ingredients, people do not have to worry about getting skin rashes or experiencing skin itchiness. And it's compatible with all skin types. No matter if you're dark, fair, you will find out the natural cosmetics like foundation. So eyeshadows and lipstick which are appropriate irrespective of your skin tone. So this is a very helpful and advantageous for the any um, skin color of the people. So men with oily or sensitive skin can also use them and never have to worry about degrading their skin condition. And it's wide selection to choose from. These products are more affordable than synthetic ones. So they are offered at economical prices and are sold for cheap price during sales. An estimate of WHO demonstrates and about 80% of world population depends on the natural products for their healthcare. So, because of side effects inflicted and rising cost of modern medicine. And next one is no side effects. Because while you're choosing the herbal cosmetics, it has to should be maintain the ideal properties. It should not be non-toxic and it should be very helpful to the skin, all types of the skin, and it the beauty products for can irritate your skin and cause the pimples. So they might block your pores and make your skin dry or oily. So with natural cosmetics, or one need to not to worry about these. So the natural ingredients used assure no side effects and one can apply them anytime and anywhere. And next one, applications of herbal products in cosmetics. So herbal herbs plays many important roles in the field of cosmetics. So first one is herbal skin care products, and second one is hair care cosmetics, and herbal lip care cosmetics, and herbal eye care cosmetics, herbal creams, lotions and gels, and herbal oils, and herbal perfumes and fragrances. So first one is herbal skin care products, lavender body powder and body soap and silk soaps and care creams. So these are the herbal skincare products, and etc. Uh, Many of the products are available in the market. So these are the we are the seen in the examples. And it's hair care products, hair care cosmetics have several ingredients. Example, natural one is the shikakai. So acacia, consina, and henna. So these are the biological terms of these natural products: henna, Lawsonia inermis, and Gargum, and Cymopsis tetragonulabius, and Amla, Embolica officinalis, and Brahmi, Bacopa moniri. So next one, herbal lip care cosmetics, herbal lip plumper, and herbal lipsticks, and herbal lip balm, and herbal lip gloss. So these are the products are available in the market. And next, herbal eye care cosmetics. So these are the eye shadows, eye gloss, eye makeup, and liquid eyeliners. And next one is herbal creams and lotions and gels. Creams, rich face and hand cream, yellow moisturizing hand. And next one is herbal oils. These are the effective for the who are facing with the baldness and falling of hair and thinning of hair in treating the irritation and itching of scalp. And last one is the herbal perfumes and fragrance. So all type of the fragrance we available in the market, and so these are the examples. Some examples are being taken. Citrus fragrance, the light and fresh characters of citrus notes, and bergamot, orange, lemon, petite grain, and mandarin, etc. So it is often combined with the more feminine scents like pure taken from the flowers, fruits, and chipre. Okay. And next, Drugs and Cosmetics Act. It is a very important act for the cosmetics, herbal cosmetics. So any article intended to be rubbed, poured, sprinkled, or sprayed, or introduced or applied to any part of the human body for cleansing and beautifying, promoting, and attractiveness or altering the appearance, and includes any article intended for used as component of cosmetics. So according to Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940, so main we have seen in here definition of the cosmetics. So next, herbal cosmetics is defined as the beauty products which possess desirable physiological activities such as skin healing, soothing, and appearance, and enhancing and conditioning properties with the help of herbal ingredients. So these are the cosmetics which are prepared by using plant products having cosmetic actions. So over here we can see that herbal cosmetics. This is the T diagram of the herbal cosmetics. So first mainly classified for the mainly three types. So first one is skincare, and second one is hair care and oral hygiene, and next one is the skincare. Again we classified for the cleanser, moisturizer, nourisher, antiseptic, soothing agent, and sunscreen, anti-wrinkle, and anti-acne. And coming to the next one, hair care, we can classified into those six types. So first one is the detergent and conditioner and nourisher and hair coloring, hair growth promoter, and anti-dandruff. And last one is the third one is oral hygiene, and it is sub-classified for the four types. So first one is the dentifrice, and second one is the mouthwash and teeth whitening and breath freshener. And next one is the classification of herbal cosmetics for skincare. So herbal cosmetics used for these skincare for the products. So first one is the powders, bath and cleansing products, and third one is the creams, and fourth one is the makeup preparations and lotions, deodorants. And next one, herbal cosmetics for skin. The herbal approach of proper skin care is principally based on three essential steps. So first one is the cleanse, and second one is the nourish, and the third one is moisture. So mainly uh, these three essential steps are principally based on the herbal cosmetics of the proper skin care. So first, whatever may be the type of skin, these three steps are performed to protect the skin from the constant effect of the environment and stress conditions and skin's natural process of the cell degradation and decay. And next, the herbal approach of proper skincare is principally based on three essential steps. Okay. And next one, herbal cosmetics for various types of skin. So all the people don't have the similar skin. So some people having suffered with a dry skin, and some people are suffered with a sensitive skin, and some people are excreted oils for the oily skin. Okay, so here we can see the herbal cosmetics for the various types of the skin. So first one is for dry skin. Example of herbs, Rubia cardifolia, so mangiста, and next one is the tulasi and Glyceraceae glabra in sesame oil. So next face mask for the banana or avocado pulp. And for the sensitive skin, example of herbs, curcuma longa, asiatica indica, and fruit face mask, banana or pineapple pulp. And next one is for oily skin, example of herbs, terminalia, arjuna, and curcuma longa, mustard and mustard oil, and milk, sour milk, fruit face mask, strawberry or papaya pulp. And next one is fixed oils used in the cosmetics. Oils are derived from vegetable and mineral sources. So, first fixed oils are used in the cosmetics. Oils are derived from the vegetable and mineral sources and are used in the cosmetics. Example of vegetable oils are almond oil, arachis oil, castor oil, olive oil, and coconut oil. So, examples of the mineral oils are light and heavy paraffin. So, first we can see that almond oil, it is a fixed oil obtained by expressing the seeds of prunes, amygdalis, and it belongs to the family Rosaceae. So this oil is pale yellow in color, which characteristic order, and the active principles or mainly ingredients are included that mixtures of the glycoside and olic acid, linoleic acid, and myristic and palmitic acid. So it has an emollient action. It is used in the preparation of creams and lotions. And next one, arachis oil. This is also a this is also a fixed oil obtained from the seeds of the Arachis hypogaea. So it belongs to the family Leguminosae, and the oil is pale yellow in color with a faint nutty odor, and refined groundnut oil is colorless with active principles like olic and linoleic acid, and small amounts of the other acids also it here the present in the Arachis oil. And 3 degrees it is cloudy, but a lower temperature it is solidified. It is used in the preparation of hair oils is related. And next one is castor oil. This is actually we are used for the in our daily lives. So this is oil is obtained from the seeds, resinous communis. So belong to the family Euphorbiaceae, and it has a slight odor. The oil is either yellow in color or colorless. It consists of the mixtures of the glycosides, and it is 80% of ricinoleic acid is the major constituent. At 0 degree centigrade, it forms a clear liquid, and it is used as a emollient. And it is used for castor oil is preparations of the herbal cosmetics. So those are lipsticks and hair oils, creams and lotions. And next one coming to the olive oil. So this oil is obtained from the fruit of Olea europaea. So it belongs to the family Oleaceae. The oil is either pale yellow or greenish yellow in color. It has a slight odor, and it consists of the glycerols of folic acid. So these are the chemical constituents of the olive oil. So palmitic and linoleic and stearic and myristic acids. And at a lower temperature, it is solid or partially solid. It has emollient and soothing properties. It is used in the manufacturing of creams, lotions, and bath oils. And next one coming to the coconut oil. The oil is obtained from the dried solid part of the endosperm of the coconut. Focus muscifera. It belongs to the family Palmiae. So it is a white or pearl white uncutaneous mass in winter and colorless in summer. So it is a moisturizer for the body because it's rich in fatty acids and has both antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties. So virgin coconut oil can soothe eczema better than mineral oil. So and these are the coconut oils in our daily lives. We can see that and we can use daily we or use it. So coconut oil is a great makeup remover for the because it breaks down lipid soluble impurities like makeup as well as sebum, which is responsible for oily skin. And next coming up to the sunflower oil. So it is a non-volatile oil extracted from the sunflower seeds obtained from the Helianthus anus. It belongs to the family Asteraceae. Sunflower oil contains lecithin and tocopherols, carotenoids, and waxes. So it has the smoothing properties and is considered non-comedogenic. It is simple and cost-effective oil. Well tried and tested for the generations, wide variety of the emulsions formulated for the face and body products. In sunflower oils also, we can use for the cooking purpose also. And next one, jojoba oil. So it is a mixture of the long chain and linear liquid wax esters extracted from the seeds, desert, sher, Simnodiaceae, and Chineses. It belongs to the family Simnodiaceae. Jojoba oil is easily refined to remove any odor and color. It's oxidatively stable and is often used in cosmetics as a moisturizer and as a carrier oil and for exotic fragrance. Human sebum and jojoba oil are virtually identical, and sebum protects and moisturizes the skin and hair but is stripped away by chemicals, pollutants, sun and the aging process and resulting in for the dry skin and hair. And it is very, jojoba oil is helpful for the replenishes bad skin and hair loss and restores them to their natural pH balance. And next, coming to the aloe vera. Aloe vera is a herbal plant. Species belong to the Liliaceae. Liliaceae family. So that is found only cultivation, having no naturally occurring populations, although closely related aloes to have presence in northern Africa. And it is an ingredient it many cosmetics because it heals, moisturizes, and softens the skin. And simply cut one of the aloe vera leaves to extract the soothing gel. So these contains many properties and many major play role of the saponin glycosides and provide okay and amino acids like leucine and isoleucine and saponin. These aloe veras are used for the health benefits and hair skin care also we are used. And next anti-aging helps. So first one is Rhodilio rosea. It is commonly known as golden root, and rose root, arrowsword, and arctic root, and king's crown. And it is a plant in the Crassulaceae family, and it habitates in cold regions of the world. And traditional folk medicine used for the Rhodelia rosea to increase the physical endurance and work productivity and longevity and resistance to the high altitude sickness, and to treat fatigue and depression, anemia and impotence and gastrointestinal ailments. So, and infections and nervous system disorders also. Tea is rich in phenolic compounds, so that is known and to have strong antioxidant properties. Here we can see the picture of the this plant, okay, and Rhodoleo rosea. Okay, this belongs to the family Roses. Okay, and next one anti-aging herbs, and we all know about that this one carrot. It is obtained from the plant Cactus Caroto. It's a belong to the family Apiaceae, and it is a valuable herb since it is due to the richness in vitamin A and along with the other essential vitamins. So our next carrot seed oil is used as anti-aging, revitalizing, and rejuvenating agent. So the carrot gets its characteristic and bright orange color from beta carotene and lesser amounts of the alpha carotene and gamma carotene and beta carotenes are partly metabolized into vitamin A in humans. And next, ginkgo. In China and Japan, the leaves or nuts from the ginkgo biloba, so tree have been used for thousands of years to treat various medical conditions. So it is a very important plant, ginkgo. In China and Japan, these leaves and nuts of ginkgo biloba tree have been thousands of years to treat various. I mean, mentioned here, ancient days they are used for the treatment for the medical conditions. So, what are those conditions means? Treat various medical conditions including poor blood circulation, hypertension, and poor memory and depression, particularly among the elderly and male impotence. In addition, it is a gaining similar reputation and antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. And Ginkgo biloba belongs to the family Ginkgobiaceae, which grows to a huge size. Okay, and coming to the next one is the herb named Neem or Margosa is a botanical relative of mahogany, and it belongs to the family Miliaceae. And the Latinized name of neem, Ajartica indica, it is a scientific name of the neem, and Ajartica indica it is derived from the Persian Ajar, tree, and Direct, tree, I, Hind, of Indian origin. The common treatment of the dandruff is neem. It produces the antifungal, antibacterial, pain relieving, and anti compounds that would treat dandruff also. And next standard treatment, Ayurveda has numerous natural medications, whereas in the most common herbs include neem, kapoor, naphthalene, and henna, hitta, behada, and amlaki, magic nut, bringraj, rosary pea, sweet flag, and Kashmiri tree, and mandu. So next, henna. Henna comes from the plant Lawsonia inermis, family Literaceae, which contain a dye molecule called lasso, which when processed produces henna powder, and besides lasso and other constituents present are gallic acid, glucose, mannitol, fats, resin 2%, and mucilage and traces of an alkaloid. And leaves yield of henna tannic acid and olive oil green resin soluble in either ether and alcohol. Lawson isolated from the leaves, Lawsonia inermis, has shown significant antifungal and antibiotic effect also they have seen. Okay, so that is the henna leaves. And next, shikakai, Acacia conchnea linen, Leguminosae family. It belongs to the. It is a medicinal plant that grows in tropical rainforest of southern Asia. So these fruits of this plant are used for the washing hair and for improving hair growth as an expectorant, emetic, and purgative. The powder of Acacia conchnea shows the presence of saponins and alkaloid and sugar, tannin, flavonoids, anthraquinone glycosides. And next to hair care, amla. So amla is the name given to the fruit of small leafy tree, Emblica officinalis, which grows throughout the India, is characteristics and edible fruit, and it is highly praised both for its high vitamin C content and for the precious oil, and which is extracted from its seeds and pulp and used as a treatment for hair and scalp problems. It is used in eye syndromes, hair loss, and children aliments, etc. And next, coming to the next one is rose. So this is very mainly four species of the roses for oil production. These are Rosa damascena male. And next, rose oil and rose water have many therapeutic effects, and rose oil helps soothe the mind and heals depression and grief, nervous stress, and tension. So having the many benefits of the for the heal wound and skin health. And next, hair products also we can easily used. And next, eucalyptus oil. So there are around 70 different species of eucalyptus in the world, and which at least 500 produce a type of essential oil. It is produced by steam distillation for the leaves of eucalyptus species. So the mainly how to be produce the essential oil means it is produced by the help of the steam distillation. Okay, and the mainly worldwide 700 different species eucalyptus in the world, but we can produce mainly 500 produced type of essential oil we produced. And next one is they are widely used in the preparation of liniments, inhalants, and cough syrups, ointment, toothpaste, and also pharmaceutical flavors. An European Pharmacopoeia monograph for eucalyptus oil sports a chromatographic profile. So 1,8 sinoil eucalyptus not less than 70%, and limonene 4 to 12%, and alpha pinene 2 to 8%, alpha phenylene less than 1.5%, so beta pinene less than 0.5%, and camphor less than 0.1%. So these are the oil supports for the chromatographic profiles. And next one is grape seeds. It promotes proliferation of hair follicle cells in vitro, and that they possess remarkable hair cycle and converting activity from the telogen phase to anagen phase in vivo. And next, ginkgo biloba. And these leaf extract also promotes hair regrowth and through combined effects on proliferation and apoptosis of the cells in the hair follicle. So it is also used for the hair tonic. And allogel is traditionally for the hair loss and for the improvement for the hair growth and following alopecia. Okay, so mainly the hair disease like alopecia also in used herb aloe vera aloe gel is used traditionally for the hair loss. Aloe is a major constituent responsible for the promoting the hair growth. And coming to the next one is oral care, oral health. Oral health, dental health is an inseparable part of general health. Oral health has an effect of general health. It causes considerable pain and suffering. It has an impact on person's speech and selection of food, quality of life and well-being. And in view of the prevalence of the oral diseases, their impact on individuals and society and expense of their treatment of the oral diseases. It is mainly effect for the major public health problem, and they are listed among the most common of the chronic disease and that affect mankind. And oral diseases are the most expensive diseases to treat certain countries. According to the World Health Organization, WHO report, dental caries and through exhibiting a declining trend in many parts of the industrialized world. It is still an important public health concern in many developing countries. The statistics suggest that dental caries affect 60 to 90% of school-going children in developing countries. And loss of teeth because of periodontitis often causes discomfort and compromises aesthetics and function. And moreover, recent studies suggest an association between chronic low-grade and infections such as periodontitis and systemic health problems and low birth weight and cardiovascular diseases and diabetes mellitus and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. And next, there is an immediate need for the promoting preventive strategies that are socially acceptable, easily available, and at the same time of the cost effective. This calls for the evolution of innovative strategies that are robust, efficient, and feasible. Clove oil, cloves are the aromatic flower buds of the true in the Myrtaceae family. So, in the past, cloves were used as remedy of easy the pain of toothache. And clove oil has a local anesthetic effect and temporary numbs and relieves the pain. So, it is used in the preparation of some toothpaste and clovacaine solution and local anesthetic and used in oral ulceration and inflammation. Eugenol, which is extracted from the essential oils, including clove oil, and also mixed with zinc oxide to form temporary tooth restorations. Okay, thank you. We will continue the next class.